to fix Google search history not showing problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In Settings, click on Apps and Notifications. In Apps and Notifications, click on Google. After you've clicked on Google, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Storage and Cache in here. After that, click on Clear Storage. Press on OK. After you've done that, open Play Store, search for Google. If there is update available instead of open, simply update your app. Sometimes not updating your app may cause some issue. After you've updated, open Google, click on the search button and you will find all your search history. This is how to fix Google search history not showing problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.